5 o'clock now. Yeah, got a new water pump to put on the works van. As it's leaking, I've already got it jacked up. Bottom pulley's off. Turn the light on. Yeah, that's all I can see. It's actually leaking out of the centre. So I've done the cab out on this, not even, I don't know, 3,000 miles ago maybe. So shoddy fucking middle-aged parts, but we're not too worried. So it's 60 quid for a pump. Then it should be all ready to go again. Gearbox is holding up pretty well. It's whining, but you know what old French gearbox doesn't. Got a set of new tyres put on the front the other day. Part ones, but so the van's all legal. Got a new, obviously that's just a new door because the window got smashed in that one. So today's Saturday, hopefully tomorrow, if I get time, we'll be putting this window in my original door, so I can have a white door again. That actually locks, and I want to clean it out because it's disgusting. But I'll put it on the time lapse, and we'll just see how it goes. The old cam belt's holding up quite well. It's wearing all nice and even. There's no excessive wear or anything anywhere. Obviously that line in the middle is because the tensioner's got a gap in the middle. Same as that. But yeah, the nice thing about these vans is it's pre-tensioning the tensioner, so you ain't got to do anything. Literally just throw it all together, which is ideal. So that's like one of the things I do really worry about doing cam belts is how tight it's going to be, but you ain't got to worry on this one. What I do got to do now is I've got to crank the engine over to the sort of timing marks I've done, mark up, just so I know it's roughly in time, it's not going to spin by itself, because also got to take the cam belt off, and then we're on. Sometimes with backyard mechanics you got to be creative, and if that timing can't move, you make sure it don't move. You. Old v new. Well, that one's like a month old. You can see where it's been leaking. Cheap old shit. And got the nice new one, which hopefully is the same. Yeah, that'll do, as long as the teeth look roughly the same. Yeah, fuck it, let's just put it on, see what happens. I'm fucked either way if it don't fit, the van's stuck in here, so we'll see what happens. I hope not, because I haven't bought any Mother's Day presents yet, and it's the day before. Bit of pressure. Let's give you a wipe. I forgot to film that last bit, because I always find putting cam belts on pretty tense, but she's back on. Bottom pulley's just on. I've literally just done a test fire. She fired right up, so thank fuck for that, because I thought for a second that I got the when I actually slackened off the belt, I heard something go ding, like ping round, so that's not the sound the fucking cam pulley makes spinning around, but that's my sound, so I just instantly doubted myself, but she seems alright, so wave it all back together and fucking send it down the road. It's still light now, so I don't know what time it is. I've only been doing it about 40 minutes, I think, so it's not bad for a cam belt driven water pump, but anyway, it's all fun and games, isn't it? And there we go, boys. And girls, obviously. Oh, that's good. The coolant light doesn't work anymore. Cool, so that's the end of that video. Nothing exciting, but It's about 7 o'clock now, so it took about an hour. No, it didn't. Is it? Yeah, it took about 2 hours roughly then. So I'm pretty happy with that. Just got to top the water up, and then I'm going to quickly get underneath, put Jack under it again, and get underneath it and just weld the exhaust up because she's blowing. But I'm pretty happy with that. I'm not going to lie. It's one more bit of peace of mind for Monday morning.